Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire the Anime Vanguard macro. This process involves a few straightforward steps to get you set up. First, you will need to download a trusted third-party macro program, such as Tiny Task or Auto Hotkey. There are several excellent options available, so choose one that suits your system. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation for your macro's operation. The essential method involves finding a verified Anime Vanguard macro script. Many online communities share these scripts, so look for one with positive reviews and clear instructions. Once you have the script, copy its code directly into your macro program's editor. After pasting, save the script within the program, giving it a clear and memorable name for easy access later on. For successful implementation, configure your macro's hotkeys. Assigning simple key combinations allows for quick activation and deactivation during gameplay. Next, carefully adjust any delay settings within the script to ensure it performs optimally with your game's speed. Always test your new macro in a safe, controlled environment first, like a private server, to confirm it works as intended. To verify your macro, observe its actions closely within the game. Confirm that it executes the intended sequence of commands accurately and consistently. If necessary, make small, precise adjustments to the timing or specific key presses within the script. Once everything is working perfectly, you can enjoy the significant benefits of your fully functional Anime Vanguard macro, enhancing your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.